set her up. Fire going. Got some marshmallows. Should be great. Rear right bare and I've got to fix it.
I broke it.
No, I broke it when I rolled it earlier. So I rolled this thing before and it went over on its side, as you'll see from the footage, and when it fell over it cracked one of the hinges on the solar panel. So it broke this hinge away here. I only tech screwed on, I've got some bolts to put through it, but that hinges up so I can point it at the sun. The battery used to be mounted inside there, and I extended it by this much, which doesn't seem like a lot, but the extra space that that's given me with the battery on the back, that's all wide straight in through there. There's a tarp kept up under here that hooks onto here, hooks onto the battery box, and then runs around the side like a side awning. So obviously you wouldn't have your fire set up like that. Sorry, darling?
That makes no sense, but okay.
Yeah, just in case it's really, really raining. But there's plenty of room in there now.
Has he?
I'm going to jump in there and show you how much space I got. Because it ain't bad. It ain't bad at all. I've had a couple of nights in here now. And it's, yeah, I can stretch out. Full stretch. So, pretty happy with that. You stealing more marshmallows?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. There's gonna be none left for her.
That's a good thing.
Doesn't really deserve them.
Well, she does deserve them. Got to share your marshmallows, mate. Yeah, so this is my little camping rig. It's it's pretty robust. I'll give it a flogging today. It's took it all. So the next thing I'd like to do is build this again, but out of aluminium, a lot lighter, similar strength. We might go with a steel center run like we have now, aluminium sides or composite sides, composite roof, and just maybe an exoskeleton. I don't know. Just your marshmallow on the I reckon that one's bugging, mate.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Oh, you just thrown it in the fire.
Yeah.
You might be wondering if it's very big or not in here. It's not terrible. Not terrible at all. Got plenty of space. I painted it this orange red colour so it wouldn't be so, I don't know, dark and dingy in here. But yeah, it's pretty good. Got a cupboard here to put my drones and stuff while I'm charging them. And then I'm going to put a couple of little shelves in there. But anyway, she works alright. Nice little solly in it. It does the job. Switches there to turn the solar power off and disconnect it from the battery, so you've got to be able to isolate these things. Yeah, she sleeps me just fine. Kids get in here and have a bit of a play. The light bar runs enough light outside for me to see a bit of stuff, so yeah, it's cost nothing to build. You've got to be happy with that. It just took a couple of years to find parts that modify and, you know, things evolve. But anyway, I'm gonna have a cup of tea. This place is awesome. Well, it must be time to put the fire out and pack up and go for an explore somewhere. It's easy hearing it. You know, this thing pops down pretty quick. Pull the pin out. Put the pin into there. It's folded down. Lock it in. That's it. done. And, yeah, pretty happy with that. Doesn't look very big, but it's definitely spacious enough to like roll around and, you know, do what I need to do. Sleeping bag and stuff all packs up into the back part of the roof, so it does get flooded in bog holes and stuff. Well, my bedding's dry at least. It's got a drain plug in it, so you can just, yeah, pull the plug and drain the water out if it gets water in it. So far so good. It hasn't got water in it, so pretty happy with that. I'm going to put this fire out and go for a look.